Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. Today is May 11th, and here are our lessons for the day. As always, you can find a brief description of each lesson on Canvas, along with the success criteria that I will go over in today's video. Today for English Language Arts, our focus is a phonics focus, and the focus is on long vowel sounds and the sneaky E rule. So today you will need to watch the mini lesson video on Canvas or YouTube. After you watch the video, you can complete the Sneaky E worksheets and the iReady lesson on the computer. The success criteria for today's ELA lesson is I can learn Sneaky E by tapping, writing, and completing the iReady lesson. And we go over in today's video on YouTube how to tap out words with Sneaky E in them and what Sneaky E is. So that video is on Canvas and on YouTube. So today, what you need to do is first watch the mini lesson on Canvas or YouTube. And it's kind of a long video. It's about 15 minutes long, so you can watch it in smaller chunks if you need to. Then you can complete the worksheets on Canvas. There are 2 pages, and the description of the worksheets is also in the video on Canvas in that mini lesson video. And after that, you can complete the assigned iReady lesson on the computer. So this is where you can find the mini lesson video on Canvas and the Sneaky E worksheet. All of these things are described right here in this video. And today's iReady lesson is the long A with Sneaky E, and there's another one for tomorrow. Today for math, our focus is story problems and finding the missing part in a story problem. Today's worksheet is called Monday Math on Canvas, and our success criteria is I can find the missing part and solve by counting back or counting on. So here's just a little picture of where you can find our Monday Math worksheet on Canvas, and when you click on it, it should look just like this. There are 4 missing part problems, and on the next slide, I'm going to go over a really important strategy for how to solve these missing part problems. So one way that we learned how to solve missing part problems in the classroom is using a strategy called Chart It. And I'm going to show you an example of what it looks like to chart a missing part problem. So the example problem I have is there were 6 birds at the park. Some flew away. 1 is left. So when we chart it, we think about retelling that story problem with the start, change, and result. So I'm going to show a table that already has that all charted out for us. So here I have my start is 6 because at the beginning there were 6 birds at the park. Then it says some flew away, but it doesn't tell us how many. So I have a blank here and I put a minus sign because the birds flew away, which tells us that we are going to be subtracting. And for our result, I put 1 because at the end, 1 is left. So how can we solve a missing part problem using this chart? First, we can use this chart to write a number sentence, and it's kind of an outline of a number sentence. We've already got all of that hard work done. Then we can use our chart to build a number bond, and we can solve by looking at our number bond and counting on and counting back. So first, our number sentence is 6 minus blank equals 1. And when we build our number bond, we know that our whole is 6 because it's a subtraction problem, and when we're subtracting, we always start with our whole, and one of the parts is 1. And we have a missing part, so we know that we can solve by counting back or counting on. So when we count on, we start at the small number or one of the parts and count on to the whole. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I counted on 5 times. We can also count back, starting at the whole and going back to our part. So 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Also counted back 5 times. So that tells me that our missing part is 5. So our total complete number sentence is 6 minus 5 equals 1. So you are going to see, I'll go back to the previous slide, 4 problems today, and all of these problems are missing part problems, so you can use your chart it strategy to help you solve. And as always, don't forget to make sure you read independently for 30 minutes in books or on Mayan. Check out our specialist websites for additional activities, and we have a Zoom today at 1 o'clock, and I shared the link to email this morning, and I will also share it to remind a little bit before our meeting. So have a super great day, and I'm excited to see you all at 1 o'clock. Bye.